Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable notifications completely on your iPhone. Notifications can be useful, but they can also be incredibly annoying if you're constantly being interrupted. Whether you want to disable all notifications entirely or just the notifications from a specific app, I'll guide you through the steps to achieve this. First, let's discuss the idea of disabling all notifications. There isn't a single toggle that will turn off every notification on your iPhone. However, you can achieve a similar effect using a feature called focus mode. Focus mode allows you to personalize and disable all distracting notifications. To set this up, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on the Focus section. Here, you can customize any existing focus mode or create a new one. For example, you can create a focus mode that only allows notifications from one specific app while blocking everything else. This is an excellent way to minimize interruptions and maintain your concentration. Once you're in the focus settings, tap on the plus sign to create a new focus mode or select an existing one to customize. You can choose the apps and contacts you want to allow notifications from and set specific times or conditions for the focus mode to activate. This way, you can control when and how you receive notifications, making your iPhone experience more tailored to your needs. Now, if you're looking to disable notifications for a specific app, you can do this easily. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on notifications. Here you'll see a list of all your apps. Select the app for which you want to disable notifications completely. Toggle off allow notifications to ensure you won't receive any notifications from that app. By managing notifications separately for each app, you can ensure that you're only getting the alerts that matter to you. When you turn off notifications for a specific app, you won't even see the options for banners, sounds, or badges. Everything will be hidden, which is how you know notifications are turned off completely for that app. To summarize, while there isn't a universal switch to turn off all notifications, using focus mode and managing individual app settings can help you achieve a notification-free experience on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable notifications completely on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.